Samsung Robot Automation Factory creates millions of smartphones. Have you ever wondered about the manufacturing process behind modern smartphones? Today, we will explore a special place. Samsung's Factory of the Future. This is not just a factory conventional manufacturing but an automated system where robots and artificial intelligence, AI, master every process. From assembly, quality control to packaging, everything is done by the most advanced technology, providing superior quality products and speed. Samsung has invested heavily to build one of the world's smartest factories to meet the growing demands of millions of users around the world. Watch until the end of the video to see how Samsung is pioneering the transformation of the electronics industry and opening a new era of manufacturing. Industry 4.0 in automation. Revolution in manufacturing. Samsung is at the forefront of Industry 4.0, an industrial revolution that focuses on automation, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data. In Samsung's Factory of the Future, advanced technologies such as IoT, Internet of Things, and advanced robots are deployed to optimize production processes. Industry 4.0 gives Samsung the ability to fully automate, making production lines efficient, precise, and less dependent on human labor. With intelligent automation systems, Samsung can remotely monitor and adjust the production process, ensuring that every product meets the highest quality standards. From assembly to final inspection. Samsung's goal with automated factory. Samsung aims to build the factory of the future with the goal of increasing production output, improving product quality and minimizing errors. Smart factories allow Samsung to achieve higher production efficiency, reduce assembly time and optimize quality control processes. At the same time, by applying AI and robots to production, Samsung also minimizes errors in the production process. Through these innovations, Samsung not only enhances its competitiveness but also ensures that its products meet the demanding requirements of global consumers, helping to maintain its leading position in the technology industry. Great benefits for businesses and users. Samsung's automated factories benefit both businesses and consumers. The application of new technology helps Samsung reduce production and labor costs, optimize production processes to reduce waste and save resources. For consumers, this means they can own high-quality Samsung products at more reasonable prices. In addition, Samsung's automated production system and strict quality control help reduce product defects, providing higher reliability and minimizing the number of defective products reaching customers. Challenges and opportunities. While the benefits of the Factory of the Future are clear, Samsung faces significant challenges. Investing in advanced technology and automation requires huge costs. Samsung also has to invest in human resource training, as operating a fully automated system requires highly skilled engineers and technicians. In Samsung's smartphone factory, automation and the presence of robots play an important role in improving productivity and product quality. Robots here are not simply tools to support labor but have become indispensable companions, helping the production process become smarter and more precise than ever. From assembling phone components to checking product quality and shipping, robots have changed the way phone factories operate. Types of robots and their role in manufacturing. Samsung factories use a variety of robots with specialized tasks, ensuring that each stage of production runs smoothly and accurately. These robots do not simply perform repetitive tasks, but work continuously with exceptional speed and precision, minimizing errors and ensuring high quality for each product. One of the most important steps in the phone manufacturing process is the assembly of components. Robots at Samsung factories are responsible for assembling every single part of the phone, including the motherboard, processor, screen, and other intricate details, with the ability to manipulate down to the millimeter. These robots ensure that the components are tightly connected and in the right place, helping to avoid technical errors later. Product quality is of the utmost importance to Samsung, and robots play an integral role in this process. Robots and artificial intelligence (AI) systems are used to inspect products at each stage, detecting errors quickly and accurately. Small errors such as faulty touchscreens or loosely attached parts are immediately detected by robots, ensuring that only the most perfect phones are released. During the manufacturing process, The transportation of components and finished products from one stage to another is extremely important. The autonomous guided vehicles, AGVs, at the Samsung factory are responsible for moving materials and products between production areas without human intervention. They use IoT sensors to navigate and operate efficiently, minimizing errors and saving time. The robots in Samsung factories do not work independently but are integrated into a complete automation system that optimizes the production process. From component assembly, quality control, to shipping and packaging, all stages are linked together through a smart system, saving time and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Once the phone parts are assembled, they are passed through automated testing robots to ensure quality. For example, sensors check the sensitivity of the touchscreen, while other robots check the attachment of components, helping to catch errors early in the manufacturing process. Each phone goes through a rigorous quality control process before moving on to the next stage. Once the phones are complete, the AGV robots will continue to move the products to the packaging and shipping areas. This automation not only helps reduce errors, but also ensures that each product is shipped quickly and safely to consumers. Benefits and safety assurance in the production process. The use of robots in manufacturing not only increases productivity but also ensures the safety of employees. Robots help reduce the heavy, risky and dangerous tasks that humans often face. With the help of robots, workers at Samsung factories can focus on higher value tasks, such as monitoring systems and handling situations that arise, instead of performing repetitive tasks. Samsung's automation systems not only improve production efficiency, but also create a safer work environment for employees. Robots help reduce workplace accidents by replacing humans in high-risk jobs. This means less stress and a better quality of life for factory workers. Smartphone manufacturing process at Samsung factory. Samsung's smartphone factories use cutting-edge technology to create high-quality phones. Every step of the manufacturing process is performed with absolute precision and a combination of automation and artificial intelligence. Here's a detailed look at the manufacturing process. From the design stage to the product being packaged and ready to ship. Product design and development. The process of creating a Samsung phone begins with the design and development phase. Samsung engineers and designers use 3D simulation technology to test the feasibility of each design. Before mass production, every phone undergoes a series of technical tests and analyses to ensure that the design meets both functional and durable requirements. Samsung focuses on creating products that are not only beautiful, but also functional and durable. Product testing stage. Once the design is finalized, the product undergoes detailed testing to check its performance and durability. The display, housing, and components must withstand strong impacts without damage. Tests for screen strength and rigidity, including impact and scratch tests. Engineers check that the processor and operating system run smoothly and without errors when using heavy applications. Each product must pass these tests to ensure that when it goes into mass production, it will meet Samsung's strict standards for quality and performance. Detailed assembly process. Once testing is successful, the product enters the assembly phase, where automated robots take over much of the work to increase accuracy and production speed. This is one of the most important steps in the manufacturing process. Robots automatically assemble motherboards and other small components such as processors, RAM, and electronic components. Accurate assembly at this stage ensures that the phone operates stably and efficiently. Robots are programmed to do this job accurately, avoiding errors and saving time. Robots continue the assembly work by placing the display and internal components such as the battery in the correct position. Sensors and image recognition technology help ensure that every component is installed correctly and without error. Once again, automation ensures precision down to the smallest detail. Quality control at each stage. During the assembly process, robots use sensors and image recognition systems to check product quality at an early stage. Automated inspections help detect errors immediately if there are any deviations during the assembly process, such as a misaligned display, missing components, or loose connections. This process optimizes quality and ensures that no defective products are shipped. Additionally, testing processes such as battery quality testing, software performance testing, And network connectivity testing are performed automatically to ensure that each phone is not only physically complete but also functions perfectly. Final packaging and quality control. Once all the assembly and quality control steps are completed, the phone enters the final packaging stage. Each product is tested again using automated testing systems to ensure there are no defects and all functions are working properly. After a final quality check, the phones are automatically packaged and prepared for shipping. The phones arrive in boxes complete with accessories such as chargers, headphones, and manuals. The packaging process is quick and efficient. With the help of robots, applications of AI and big data in production management. In the era of strong technological development, Samsung is not only one of the pioneering brands in smartphone production but also a typical model of applying advanced technologies to optimize the production process. To better understand how Samsung can produce millions of phones each year efficiently and accurately, we cannot ignore the great combination of big data and artificial intelligence, AI, in their production process. Big data helps predict failures and optimize production. At Samsung factories, smart sensors are installed everywhere to collect real-time data from all machines and equipment. These sensors not only monitor current conditions but also help predict future problems. Big data helps analyze operating patterns to identify abnormalities such as machine breakdowns or substandard product conditions. This means that problems can be detected and resolved before they happen. Thanks to accurate analysis of data, when a problem is identified remotely, the engineering team can perform timely maintenance, avoiding disruption to the production process and minimizing repair costs. This is why Samsung is able to maintain a stable and continuous production process, producing millions of products every year without any major problems. AI detects product defects and improves quality. Samsung is not just relying on data, it is also using artificial intelligence to detect product defects right on the production line. Samsung's AI systems use image recognition and smart sensors to analyze every detail of the phone during the assembly process. AI can even identify small scratches on the screen, undetected hardware errors or problems in the software. What is special is that AI not only helps to check product quality but also learns from errors in the production process. When an error is detected, the system will record and analyze the cause, thereby improving the inspection process and minimizing similar errors in the future. This helps Samsung continuously improve accuracy, bringing products that are not only high quality but also perfect, meeting the strict requirements of consumers, increase production speed and optimize processes. Bringing AI and big data into manufacturing not only helps detect errors and predict problems, but also helps Samsung dramatically speed up production. AI systems optimize every step in the manufacturing process. From coordinating assembly robots to operating the production line efficiently, AI can calculate the time needed for each step, adjusting the speed of the robots so that everything runs smoothly, minimizing waiting time. The result is faster production while maintaining quality. Samsung has succeeded in optimizing every step, from transporting components, assembling phone parts, to quality control and packaging. Thanks to AI, robots can work continuously and more accurately than ever before, minimizing human intervention, increasing productivity and optimizing costs. Samsung Factory, model for the future of industry. Impact and standards for the industry. Samsung is not only a leader in developing cutting-edge manufacturing technologies, but also a leader in setting the standards for the global electronics industry. With its automated factories, Samsung has demonstrated that advanced technology can change the way production is done, driving the growth of not only the company itself but also the entire electronics industry. These factories are not only places where products are made, but also centers for research and development of manufacturing technology, creating new breakthroughs that optimize processes. The future of automated manufacturing. Looking into the future, it is clear that robotics and artificial intelligence will play an increasingly important role in the global manufacturing industry. Samsung is proving that these technologies are not just a trend but a driving force for the industry's growth. Samsung's automated factories not only help save costs, but also increase efficiency and ensure product quality. With the development of AI and robotics, factories like these will be models for the future of manufacturing, where processes become smarter, more automated, and more perfect. Conclude. Samsung has been paving the way for a new era in electronics manufacturing, where automation and AI are not just supporting tools but key factors, driving change in the way we produce, consume and experience technology. So, we have an insight into Samsung's factory of the future, where robots and artificial intelligence are not just supporting tools but have become the center of the entire production process. With these advanced technologies, Samsung not only improves product quality but also reduces costs, shortens time to market, thereby creating great experiences for consumers. If you find this information interesting and want to learn more about innovation in the electronics manufacturing industry, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Leave your opinion in the comment section below this video. What do you think about the development of automated factories in the future? Let us know.